Hi everybody, good morning. This is Jean here. Jean Truelove from Truelove Quilts for You. I'm here with Maxwell, and we're just enjoying the outdoors, sitting here, having our cup of tea and Maxwell's coffee. But I had alluded to something the other day. I wanted to just share with you just a few minutes. Maxwell, we went to Kohl's.
Yes, we did go to Kohl's.
And Maxwell got a pair of shoes. And as you know, Maxwell loves his shoes. How many pairs of shoes do you have?
14.
14 pairs of shoes. And you saw these though.
Yeah.
They were expensive. They were expensive.
$70.
$70 shoes, which the last pair of red shoes we got.
In the grand scheme of things, that's not really expensive.
In the grand scheme of things. So what is the grand scheme of things?
Well, I almost bought a $150 pair of shoes.
Yeah, we wouldn't let you buy a $150 pair, but $70 pairs of shoes are okay, because they're nice ones. They are Under Armour shoes. We just got these. We're going to unbox them. Under Armour. I did see these, and these are a size
12.
A 12. Now Maxwell, if you followed before, you know that Maxwell has a very wide foot. Basically a 4E, I believe, that the one we got. Look at that. These, I haven't seen these, but these are quite, yeah, they don't look as narrow as the ones we had gotten that I had to return, because I can sort of just look at them and see. But these are not like, excuse me, these are not like 3-hour shoes.
I didn't return them.
We returned those.
Oh!
We did return some, didn't we? Yes.
Only one pair.
One pair we had to return.
I forgot about those.
Yeah. So these are, they look awesome. They're super. Boy, are they red. They match a red shirt. We didn't do that on purpose. Look at that. So Under Armour 12E.
This is technically a medium shoe.
They're a medium, but they fit you. See if you can try them on. You have your socks on. So you tried them on at the shop.
They fit.
It's okay, don't worry. It's just a little, there's nothing on there. Don't panic.
I have my things in.
Maxwell has his things with shoes. You do look after them. So I think you really have to loosen the laces.
You do that.
Can Mom to do that? Hold my tea. Hold my tea. So yeah, if you really loosen the laces, and then these, yeah. I can usually, like I say, I can usually tell for your big old wide Truelove foot there. We got big old feet here. Daddy has wide feet. The boys all have wide feet. Malia has wide feet. I have very wide feet. But these are not for an all-day thing. And you told me they're basketball shoes. What does that mean? You don't play basketball.
I know.
Well, why are they called that? I mean, I see running shoes, tennis shoes, hiking shoes, walking shoes, basketball shoes, soccer shoes. I mean, what does that mean?
Those are shoes with basketball the players use, but they are also a style.
Ah, it's a style, because a shoe is a shoe, right? I mean, I understand.
Yes, and basketball shoes are a lot more snug around your foot, so you don't accidentally twist your ankle.
Oh, okay. Watch my tea.
I know your tea is there.
Oh, wow, they're nice looking, Maxwell. Oh, they are really nice looking. They are super. So let me see. Can you tell we like red?
I have a strange obsession with red.
We have it's just my favorite color. Let me see. Oh, they're awesome. How do they feel?
They're definitely not as they're definitely not as tight as my white pair of Jordans that I have.
Yeah, your white pair of Jordans, they never did stretch. Your black pair of Jordans gave a bit.
Because it all depends on the material.
Okay, well this is like a, what is it? It's like a plastic.
This is like a.
What is it? What, I don't have my glasses on. What does it say? The upper. That means this part. What is the ingredients? What are the
Upper?
What is the fibers? What is it? Ingredients. What am I saying?
Ingredients?
Not the ingredients. They're not making red shoes. What does it say? Anything?
Made in Vietnam.
Made in Vietnam. But what is the materials?
Doesn't say.
Oh, it doesn't say. Okay. Does it say on the box what it is? Because it's a funny, sort of a plasticky thing. Yeah, doesn't say. Anyway, these are Maxwell's new shoes, Under Armour. They're awesome, designed. Yeah, recyclable box, that's good. Doesn't say anything. 20 different languages. But do you love them?
I do.
Okay, well there you go. Maxwell got another pair of red shoes. We're really thrilled about that.
Yes. Now I'm time to look for a blue pair.
Now I'm trying to look for a blue pair. You have one pair of blue shoes. Yeah, he has one pair of blue shoes.
I do, but they're really in your face.
No, they're not. Well, not as much in your face as them. They are really in your face. Yeah, they're nice. Love them. They match your shirt. Awesome. All right, folks. Well, there you go. Kohl's, $70.
Yes, and
Nice.
Will you let me spend $70 on a hoodie?
I will not let you spend $70 on a hoodie. No, nope. No.
I told you I will
I
get
know.
all three.
You spent you spent $70 on that one hoodie. Cletus McFarland.
No, TJ Hunt Co.
Oh, TJ Hunt Co. Your Cletus McFarland was this shirt is Cletus McFarland.
Yeah.
He likes certain shirts, but we basically, because when you go help Dad or help his brothers, he has some work clothes. But this is a nice shirt. This is a nice one. But no, he bought one $70 hoodie, and I absolutely balked at that. Because we could have gone to Walmart. We did go to Walmart and buy 2 hoodies for $40, and they were nice. They were nice, yes? Were they nice?
I agree with you,
yes,
but
okay.
I want my YouTuber.
You want your YouTuber
hoodies.
Oh, he wants his YouTube hoodies. Well, we'll talk about it. We'll see.
But that's a no.
That's a no.
Always.
We'll see, Max.
Or I'll ask Dad.
Oh, I'll ask Dad. No, you can't do that. You can't. What did we say? You can't do that. You can't play one against the other. Dad'll say no. I said yes to these shoes. These are nice.
Usually you don't say yes to anything above $20.
Well, I would rather you get a lot of stuff for $20 each than one thing for $100. That's what I do. I don't spend lots of money on an expensive thing. I buy a lot of stuff for cheap because I get bored, and I think you do too. I did allow you to get.
That is why I have 14 different pairs of shoes.
Yeah. Well, you have 3 pair of very expensive shoes, and these are expensive. $70. That's expensive, Maxwell.
I actually have 4 pairs.
4 pairs.
4 pairs.
Two were presents. 2 were presents.
No, one was.
No, I thought
one was.
The black ones and the white ones. They were.
No. I bought the black ones first.
Oh, and then the white ones. Okay, that's right.
Then
that's right. I forgot about that.
I am broke in the black ones, so they are more comfortable than the white ones.
That's right. That's right.
These are definitely more flexible material.
It is flexible.
The more I wear it,
yeah.
Well, I'm actually gonna force myself to wear these, even though.
Yeah, no, they look awesome. You don't have to force yourself.
No,
you bought them.
No, force is not the right word. Just wear them around that house and
to get used to them.
For the material to stretch around my foot.
Do you want to go show the folks what you have to really put on and wear? Yeah, you don't have to put them on, but just explain what's going to happen.
I will.
Okay.
I'm thinking of going for a ride on the quad anyway.
Okay. We'll be right back, and I'll show you what Maxwell has and what he has to look forward to. So here we have some things of Maxwell's that we had to get him, and you may think, what in the world is this all about? We have goggles, 2 pairs of goggles, rain gear, special rain gear, waterproof and breathable rain gear, and we have some mega
dirt bike riding
boots. Hold them up. They're really muddy because he was riding on his quad.
No, I was not riding on the quad the first time I got them.
You were walking around trying to break them in. So what it is Maxwell's going on a trip with his brothers, who all have quads, and but it's a quite serious trail riding trip, and his one brother came and was telling me that he can't be on his quad without the proper gear. It's not just little trails around here. So we got Maxwell the boots. And why are these boots important?
It keeps your ankle straight, and sometimes you have to kick off at certain spots, and yeah, you don't want to twist your ankle. Right.
So our one son, he had gone on a quadding trip before, and he's an experienced quadder. Maxwell's not quite as experienced, and he actually had worn hiking boots, good hiking boots, but twice when he had to sort of get his quad out of the way, he just sort of tweaked his ankle. And the guys he was riding with are like, no, you really do need proper, like honking boots here. These are special.
Those like boots like you would wear during like a race.
Yeah, during a race, and they have ankle support, all sort of scuff guards. And they took some getting used to. Maxwell's, they're a bit muddy because he was walking around in them, but he has that. And we got you, as Jordan was saying, he needs a couple pair of goggles. You want to put these on? These are adjustable, because
these are going to go over the helmet.
Over the helmet.
It doesn't go over me.
Right. So and then we got the rain gear because the mud. It's just going to be muddy where they're going. So it's a couple days trip. He's going with all of his brothers. They're staying in a little place, and yeah, it's exciting. We'll let you know how that gets on. But we wanted to make sure he has your really good helmet, and the quad is all ready. Oh, except we have to wash it.
You know that what quad
it's gonna come real dirty.
Like real dirty, dirtier than normal.
It's gonna come home really dirty. All of our boys have big trucks, and they're going to have they have all their flatbed trailers. They're going to be towing in convoy all of their quads on their trailers. And what he was saying is we have to get or I think we have one, a big tub as opposed to luggage. You're going to get a tub.
Oh, we need to get a waterproof tub.
A waterproof tub because he was saying that instead of luggage, when they went the last time, it was a bit of a pain hauling luggage into this sort of cabin. Big tubs can go on the back of the trailer, and you have your boots there, you have your rain gear, many layers of clothes because they will get muddy, old clothes that you probably even want to toss at the end of the day because they get so muddy. And then everything can just go in the tub on the back of the trailer. It's easier than luggage that way. That makes a lot of sense, and you just stack everything up. Helmet, boots.
I'm definitely not bringing my nice pair of shoes.
Don't bring your red shoes. They would turn out brown, but he's taking his boots. And then you take some more comfortable shoes.
How much do you think that they weigh in your hand?
They are heavy. These are heavy. And it took some getting used to. Maxwell still has to walk around a little bit more and ride your quad with them to get used to it.
Yes, so,
but what did we buy you? They are coming.
Dirt bike riding gloves.
Yeah, and they have like a nice like a shell, a hard shell here where the knuckles are.
Yes, like up at Dominic's property, I was only riding for about half an hour, and my hands were torn.
Yeah, they were. Yeah, because you were whipping through the trails. So we got proper riding gloves. So you're completely suited out. You got your safe shoes. You wouldn't have been allowed to go on the trip, serious trip, with all of his brothers if he hadn't had this. So we'll let you know. I'm a little bit anxious.
Should I record some GoPro footage?
He wants to take my GoPro.
I
don't love my GoPro. Maybe you can take it. I'll see.
Hey, can I buy your GoPro?
No, you can buy my GoPro. No, we have the GoPro. I might let you take it because I don't love it, but that would be cool. And then we could show people what the trails were like.
Yes, you definitely have to get a
waterproof case.
proof carrier.
Yeah.
Like, because there will be mud and water hitting the GoPro.
Tremendous amount. So I was saying to his brothers, these are all expert quadders, four-wheelers, and Maxwell's, an intermediate. So they're going to look after him because Ian and I were a bit concerned, but it's going to be okay. So he's all kitted up, he's all suited up, and we will let you know how that gets on. But you're not wearing your red shoes on your quadding trip.
Of course not. They would get ruined.
Anyway, folks, thanks for stopping in and saying hello to us. Good morning.
Bye, everybody.
Bye.